Here at Country Car Vehicle Storage, we understand how important your vehicle is, and that's why we've built our custom 300 space storage facility around the promise of providing the best possible storage service for you and your car. We know that security is a key factor for our customers, so our premises have a state-of-the-art alarm and camera system. Monitored and recorded 24 hours a day, our motion tracking, face recognition, surveillance system covers every angle of the facility and grounds. Conveniently but discreetly located and with strict access controls, you can have the peace of mind that your vehicle is fully protected around the clock. We offer 3 levels of storage to suit all needs, and whichever package is right for you, you can rest assured that we'll take the utmost care of your vehicle. But our services don't stop there. We can also provide professional detailing for your vehicle. Our expert staff use only the very best products to ensure a perfect finish both inside and out. And should your vehicle require a little bit more help to shine, like paint repairs, wheel refurbishment, dent removal or leather refurbishments, we can handle that too. With over 40 years experience in the motor trade, your car's in the perfect place to be stored and monitored. And should your vehicle need any mechanical repairs, servicing or an MOT while it's with us, our skilled technicians can also take care of that. We are Country Car Vehicle Storage, making it easy to store and maintain your car.